Another day, another update. Today we got version 71, which is mostly UI changes, pretty minor update overall. We have our updated search. So if we click the search icon in the transcript, it looks like this now. You can search by the different highlight colors, if that's something you use. I personally don't use the highlight feature. You can search more granularly by matching whole words, match case, etc. And then you can type in whatever you want there. And you can do the find and remove filler words, shorten word gaps, all that kind of stuff that we had before. The other big change is the template. Under our template menu, when we open that up, it's now much cleaner. We have a separate view for the drive and for the gallery. The gallery, of course, is Descript's built-in stuff. So if we click on titles, for example, we have the fading titles, sliding titles, all the stuff that has been there. It's just a much different view, much cleaner. And then you also have this choose template button up here, which gives you the same menu. And then if we are looking at our canvas, we don't have a layer selected. In the properties bar, we have this layers section, and you can simply highlight, you can click your mouse over a layer and it selects it. And if you click it and drag it, we can reposition it and you can change the layer order like so, which is a huge improvement. Before you had to right click, you'd have to change the layer order. You'd have to, if something wasn't even showing, you'd have to select the layer, find it, and then change the layer order, moving it front or back until you got everything just right. So this really saves a lot of time. And then also when you hover over it on the right here, you can toggle whether it's visible or not. You can lock it. You can mute it, unmute it, and so on. So that's a big improvement. There's a couple other changes, but those are the big ones, the UI changes. Hopefully you found this useful.